Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 wing mirror cover. This task might seem daunting, but with the right approach and a few basic tools, you can complete it quickly and safely. We'll cover everything from preparing your workspace to reassembling the mirror, ensuring you feel confident throughout each step. Let's get started by gathering our essential equipment. The first crucial step is to safely remove the mirror glass. Begin by adjusting the mirror all the way in or up, creating a small gap. Using your plastic trim tool, carefully pry the glass from its housing, applying steady pressure. You might need more force than expected, but always be gentle to avoid damage. Once loose, disconnect any 2 or 3 electrical wires attached to the back of the glass. With the mirror glass safely removed, you can now access the cover's fasteners. You will typically find 2 or 3 small Torx screws, often T10 size, holding the cover in place. Carefully unscrew these, remembering there are usually 3 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover straight up and away from the housing to release its remaining clips. Now, for reassembly, simply reverse the steps. First, align your mirror cover and press it firmly until all clips engage securely. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Torx screws, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Next, reconnect any electrical wires to the mirror glass. Finally, carefully press the mirror glass back into its housing, applying even pressure to the center and edges until it clicks into place. Perform a quick operational check, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.